What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be my long-term price prediction for Cardano. So in this video I will reveal the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, and also I reveal here my exact trading position that I currently have on this coin. So I reveal here my exact entry, exact take profit target, stop loss, everything. So if you are a fan of Cardano, or if you simply just want to trade this coin, this is perfect video just for you. This video definitely won't be just about technical analysis, but let's start today on a weekly time frame. You can see that from the current all-time high, we are right now down around like 91.6% of a net market, which is absolutely crazy for such a big altcoin like this. But also on the other hand, I think the more relevant high is this one. So from this high, we are right now down around 80% of a net market. You can see that in the long run, we are testing here really ultimate support, and also the RSI indicator is on the level 8.49. So in the long run, I think this coin is from technical perspective really undervalued. As I said, in this area, we are having huge support. So until the price remains above 0.221, it's still, in my opinion, just testing important support. Like after there will be a breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then I think we will go on a lower levels, and this can be in the long run pretty bad for Cardano. But in my opinion, as I said, right now we are simply testing important support area. So from this perspective, this whole level can be interesting buying opportunity. As I said, in this video, I will show you what is my exact long position that I currently have on this coin, and also we will take a look on some fundamental data to see if it's actually worth buying Cardano right now. And if you, for example, want to know about all the coins that I'm watching, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing analysis like this every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. To fully understand why I think crypto can be good buying opportunity right now is Bitcoin rainbow price chart. You can see we are having here this area, so you can see like this red one, yellow one, and this purple one, which is currently the most important area you need to watch. You can see that historically this purple line was catching the bottom absolutely perfectly. So you can see in 2020 we got into this area, Bitcoin was around like 4.6k, and this was like perfect buying opportunity. So from like 4.6k we went to like 63k. You can see in 2022 this was a FTX crash. You can see Bitcoin was around 16.4k and we went to like 110k, and right now again we are testing this purple area again. And the reason why I am showing you this Bitcoin indicator is that Bitcoin is simply moving the whole market. So if Bitcoin will go up from a current levels, then you can see like all of the altcoins will pump as well. You can see, for example, in 2017 Bitcoin was like absolutely overbought on the level 19k, and you can see right now if Bitcoin will go to the exact same area, it will be around 1.1 million. I know this is like super bullish, but this is another reason why I think whole market can go from a current levels right now. Let's now get back to a 12-hour chart. Here you can see we are currently testing this bullish order block area, which is by the way between level 0.263 and 0.250. So for me right now, if there will be like a liquidity grip under with a support confirmation of this area, this can be a reason for simply taking liquidity above this bearish order block, which is for me the main important resistance right now, because you can see on daily time frame we are here in the downtrend, so we are simply forming lower highs. So this high was lower than this one, again this high is lower than this one, so you want to see here breakout with a support confirmation. I reveal my exact long position that I have on Cardano soon, but let's now aim for the exact price that I think Cardano can actually hit this year. Of course, for this scenario to be valid, there needs to be, let's say, alt season. So all of the altcoins needs to pump. If this is simply a start of the bear market and Bitcoin will crash to like 20 or 30k dollars, then of course this will be invalid. But in my opinion, scenario that something like this will happen is actually small. And honestly, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will definitely go on a higher levels, which means a lot of altcoins will have a room for some pump as well. On a weekly time frame, the most important area for us is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.97 and 0.83. And in the long run, this is the most important area that you need to break. Of course, you can just speculate for a retest of this bearish order block, which I think is highly probable, and this move is giving you potential profit around like 200 to like 275% of a net market. And honestly, of course, I can be wrong, but in my opinion, this dump is one of the last ones in which you can buy those cryptocurrencies for actually cheap. And again, if you want to know about all the coins that I am watching, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you, for example, struggle in the current bear market and you want to sell your long-term backs, which I think this is simply not a good idea to sell right here, definitely hit me up with a DM. I will try to talk you out of it for completely free. Just hit me up with a DM in my Discord channel. So yeah, guys, on a weekly time frame, this is the current main area that we need to break. But honestly, I think if the real alt season will start, I still think Cardano can reach that $2 mark in 2026, which will be from a current level potential profit around 672% of a net market, which I think is absolutely insane. This is like better potential profit that we currently have on a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, something like that. And like this coin is also having kind of huge market cap. So for me, Cardano on the current prices, this can be in the long run really great buying opportunity. But definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin and what is, for example, exact price prediction that you think this coin is gonna hit. Before I reveal my exact long position that I have on Cardano, let's now take a quick look on a coin market cap. If you want to, for example, check this site, or if you, for example, want to check the rainbow site on Bitcoin that I showed previously, definitely check links in the description. I will definitely keep it there. But you can see Cardano is currently on the 11th place, which is like I think it can be simply even higher, because for example, like Bitcoin Cash, who likes Bitcoin Cash? If you are a fan of this coin, well, probably if you have some problems with selling your bags, you can sell Bitcoin Cash right now. But like in front of Solana, we also have Dogecoin. I know this is the most popular meme coin, but still Cardano is, in my opinion, much better. TRX, well, yeah, a lot of people are using it, especially with like that USDT. And then we have here like Solana, USDC, BNB, XRP, Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So in my opinion, realistically, Cardano can be on the 9th, maybe 8th place. And I think if the real alt season will start, Cardano will climb this ladder. Of course, when the real alt season starts, coins like, of course, stable coins like Tether or USDC, they are simply going down. So maybe we can see Cardano on like 7th, maybe 6th place in like most bullish scenario. But simply, I think even in like these conditions, we can definitely go on a higher levels. You can also see fear and greed indicator. We are on the level 11, which is like extreme fear, and historically this was like the best potential buying opportunity as well. As I promised, let's now check the full Cardano long position that I have here. Personally, I took this long position on a daily/weekly time frame, because the main reason why I took this was because we retested and took liquidity below like all of these previous important lows. So after there was like this liquidity grab, I took here a long position on the level 0.2573. So you can see we are exactly on my entry price. On the other hand, I need to switch on a daily time frame. We went from this, let's say, position in, let's say, 17.3% of a net market in profit. And even though I'm speculating here for a higher returns, right now I took some of the profits. So like the worst case scenario, I will end this position on break even. But if there will be like another drop under this low, there will be like liquidity grab and then a support confirmation, I will definitely aim for a new long position. My main target for this trade is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.607 and 0.556. So from a, let's say, entry level, this can be a potential profit around like 115 to like 136% of a net market. Do I think that even though I already took some of the profits, you can still open a long position on Cardano right now? In my opinion, yes, because in the long run, the risk-reward ratio here is still gonna be great. Stop loss, you want to place under this previous low, because again, if we are gonna drop under, we can definitely go for much lower levels, as I showed you today on a weekly time frame. You don't want to see here a drop and resistance confirmation under like these two previous lows, and your last take profit targets, well, you can place it above this bearish order block. So risk-reward ratio is on the level 9.15, and so also in a trade like this, you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this previous important highs, then around this lows, around this area of increased liquidity, something around this area, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. And if you, for example, want to know about all the trades that I am taking, as I said, guys, don't forget to join my Discord trading group. You can join for completely free. You will get here really great stuff there, so you can just join for completely free. You can see if it's good for you. If it is, you can just stay. If not, you can of course leave any time. So yeah, this is basically my whole position that I currently have on Cardano. You can also see here the exact trading position that I post in my group, and also the profit that I already made. So you can of course see that I actually entered a long position there, and I already have here some profit. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Definitely let me know in the comments, what do you think about Cardano? What is the exact price that you think this coin is gonna hit? And you can just make some comment for the algorithm so I can get more views. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.